Hello guys, today I am going to just tell you about a website which I have made for my brother for an ease of work for him. Here I have first of all make a sign-in page where I will sign in via the admin password. So let's just get sign in, and it will just you know redirect us to the dashboard page. And here we have various features like we can make quotations, we can take follow up like which quotation is been accepted or not accepted, or what work has been pending. Then all the documents of the customer will be saved here, and the payment which has been received, which has not been received, and in which how much installment it will become. So the all this will become in leads and operation. And for office management, we have created a stock management page where we will just manage all the stocks of the godown, which of the stock which is present in godown, and how much stock is assigned to the which customer, which panel is given to which customer. So for that we have this assigned stock. And then we have expenses, that how much expenses we are doing, how much money we are saving, etc. And then there is an attendance portal. Here we will get to know which employee is coming in how much time, and how much time he is not coming, he is taking a half day or full day, etc. And then there is a receipt of of all the payment which we have received or which we have done. So first of all, let's just go to the quotation. Here let's just click, and then there is a three quotation making. Residential, there is different quotation. For industrial, there is different, and for commercial it is different. Now let's just take a residential. Here let's just click it. Here we will just here we have clicked on industrial quotation. It will ask us for customer name, mobile number, email address, and the consumer number. Let's just take 12. And then which panel company we want to select. So here let's just take Adani. And how much watt peak of that particular panel should come. Let's just take 585 watt. Then here let's just take how many number of panels will get used. Let's just take 12. And on the basis of the number of panel, it will automatically define how much kilowatt of the work it will be completed in this much number of panel. And then we will select an inverter which will be of 8 kilowatt, because here the requested kilowatt is 7. So let's just take VSOL. Then let's just we select the galvanized HDGP pipe, brand of the pipe. So let's just select star. And now we will select the purlin size, which will be 60/40 and 60/40. We can select any type of purlin or rafter size. And then we will select the discom, on which discom the panel is going to be installed. Let's just take torrent. And in torrent, above 5 kilowatt, it always take the phase 3, so it will automatically select the phase 3. And pricing information, in which price we are going to do this work is, let's just take an example, 2,10,000. So let's just create a quotation. Now it will automatically create a quotation which we can download in the docx file or the pdf file. Let's just install it in docx file. If we want to edit anything in docx, then we can download the docx file. And if we want to do any pdf, if it is everything is perfect, so we can just download the pdf and send it to the customer. So let's just open the docx file and see if all the information are correct or not. So here, as I said that as I said that my name is here, my address is here, my date of creating the quotation is here, which is automatically detected. And then the 7.2 kilowatt solar system, and here we have taken 2,10,000 of total payment to be taken. So the we have reduced 500 rupees stamp charge and undertaking charge and meter charge will be 15,050 rupees, and then will be the design supply charge of 194,450, and the customer will get the 78,000 credited in customer account of subsidy. So the end amount which will be paid by customer will be 1,32,000, which is automatically calculated via backend. Then there is the unit generation, so which is 7 kilowatt of work into 23 unit per kilowatt, so it will be 948, which is also calculated by backend. Here we the solar solar panel company which we have selected will come here, which has also been done in the backend. Work has been done in the backend. Then there is a unit watt peak which we have selected, and the quantity of panels which we selected. Then there is the inverter. In inverter there is a 10 years warranty and a 7.15 kilowatt inverter. And then there is a hot galvanized pipe. So all this has been done via backend. Let's just go to another section. Let's just go here and go to the dashboard and go to the follow-up page. So here we will get to know where that this quotation is being in a pending stage, accepted stage, or rejected stage. If it is accepted, then we will get to know the date. Let you just check the date and customer name. If it is accepted, then it will go into the document section, and we have to we so you can check the date here 3626, and here we have to upload its document. First of all, the upload agreement is in pending, installation, inspection, all these things will be in pending if we will not upload it by ourselves. Let's just go backwards and see the payment details. Here we will get to know which payment has been remaining in which amount, and how. Let's if we will click on it, we can add payment on cash, GPay, NEFT, RTGS, etc. If RTGS, then all the banking details, NEFT, then the numbers, etc. And if GPay, then the date of number, etc. So let's just go backward. We will go to the stock management page. Here we have 56 pipes, 56 panels available in godown, and in which 30 are assigned to customers. If we click on the assign to customer, we will get to know which 32 items has been assigned to Krish Goyani, and all the other have not been assigned any type of stock, any type of panel. Okay, so we will just check the inverter in which we have this much inverter. And we will go to wire. We have no wire stock available. We can add stock via here. And let's just go to pipe. Here we have 40-40-15 pipes and 60-40-15 pipes, and one is assigned to customer and available is one. So all this is when the stock management, and then there is assigned stock which I showed you before. And then there is expenses, how much expenses we are this will be coming soon feature. We are working in backend for that. And then there is attendance tracker. Here we will get to the know that present, absent, or half day. So if half day, then in which time he has given the half day, and if we save attendance, it will get saved. And then we will get to know how many workers are there. Here there is two. Here there are two workers, and there will be monthly report of all the workers. And let's just check receipt section. Here we can generate a receipt for let's just make a receipt. This is for the use of the admin, so he can give the receipt to the CA 010-2006. This is the date and customer name, then address, and it is in cash. So we will generate and download receipt. The amount is required, so 50,000. So we will generate and download the receipt, which will be generated maybe in a word document, because if we want to change, if there is any error, so we can do that. And the download PDF section is also coming in that. So here we have made a receipt, and we can just print it out and make a stamp on it, and we can give it to see if any receipt has been asked by him. So this was my second website, which has been made for my client, which is my brother. So the all of these features are end to end working. So thank you.